One of the things I want to put back on the bike is this grill on the front headlight. Okay. So this rack of mine beneath is not pretty inside, but serves me well. So now what we have a problem here is that this is not wide enough, and we are talking about some, well, very little, but we will make something out of it. Let's start. Let's clean. Now, fuck. I already stretched this one a little bit. Now I will try to do that with the other end without breaking something. And yeah, we are risking here a little, but you know, what can we do? Okay, so let's do this one a little more. Yeah. No, so yeah, we'll have to put this all the way, try to bend it, you know. It will break. I'm almost certain it will break. If we put some heat on it, we will probably have more chance not to break something. Now we have this out of the way. We need somewhere here. And here. Yeah. So these are the points where we need this grill to be back straight down there. Yeah. And it will, but while doing that, we cannot interrupt, we cannot, change. Do you see it? Yes, we cannot change these angles. They are correct now. So I have one on the left just perfect, but on the right, I don't know how much you see, but that I make too much of the angle here. Because see what I want? I want that this fits perfectly on this fairing, and I think we are, really close. Okay, so I did this. So now this one is even better than this one. But I will not touch anything more because I think I'm really risking here to break something. But what is important is, you see, it fits almost perfectly in this fairing. Definitely near, because I will put the piece of plate from inside to connect to this, and then here will be a screw for this. Okay, let me try and see. Okay, a little fast forward. I put the grill on and it's almost perfect fit. I really don't see how better I can fit this. Nothing is touching the glass, everything fits, so I put these two screws from the sides. I had a problem. There's this screw behind it was, wouldn't let me to push it all the way, the fairing, but now it's okay. Let me just show you what I did. So I made two of these little brackets with two holes in them, and you know, cut them and shape a little bit the edges and everything, and then put them as extension to this grill mount bracket. And this grill mount bracket have a long hole in it, so you can move back and forward. Now you can see that it fits almost on the glass, but doesn't touch the glass anywhere. Here they don't touch the headlight from each side. And here I had a problem because I wasn't counting that this outside will hit the fairing. So I need to put this Allen bolts on. And you know, I maybe cut too much of these bolts, as I wasn't able to put spring washer in there. But I will see, you know, if I, you know, unscrew a little bit and then I will put a little bit of Loctite, just so this screw doesn't go away. But everything is, you know, fucking rigid and doesn't move. Now I need, you know, just to adjust the headlight and put the fairing back on. But before we put it, we have a couple of things to do. You see, I don't know what these, I have this like cracks. I don't know, is it in paint or is it in material? Nevertheless, I put from a long time ago, I put from inside, I put this, you know, epoxy, some kind that we use for boats here. This is from the fall this summer when I had an accident. Now I need, you know, maybe to consider to brush everything and then, you know, paint it. Well, I don't think so, as my bike is a red look bike and this fairing is red as fuck. So yeah, obviously after all that tough talk about you know how cool it looks, I will paint it at the end. There was too many things happening there and I want a clean slot. Now when we are at this part of the bike, let's fix this too. I painted it. It's not perfect, not close, but it's enough for my red bike. Now I will put first the fairing, then the windshield, as I want to put this kind of here, so it will just complicate me installation, but I think it will look nice. Let's see. So I have this screws on. One new thing what I see is that these slids are, you know, like everything moved, but you know, I suppose it's okay. Let's now put the windshield and see what will happen and how it will sit. And we are done. So everything is ready. I really like these buttons, they are much cleaner look. and these rivets stay, as they look a little bit like spikes. And I know it's not an important part of this motorcycle, but I kinda get used to on this grill to have it, and I think it's nice with the overall look of the bike. So yeah, that's it. Let's wait for the new tire. Let's move on.